Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, Omoniyi is here again, and I have it with me,
Scott.
So today we'll be talking to you about your fundamental rights, your constitutional safeguards. Basically, what we are trying to talk about this is basically because of what has been going on in Nigeria as regards the police harassment of our youths generally. So we felt like, why not let you guys know, why not inform you about the rights that you are entitled to, the things you know, the constitutional rights that has the backing of the law, just to let you know that this is what you have and nobody should harass you. So that is all you'll be hearing from us today, and I hope you enjoy it.
Right to life. Section 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria states that everyone is entitled to the right to life.
Right to dignity of human persons. Section 34 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria states that a person must not be subjected to inhuman or degrading treatment. This means a person must not be subjected to an act of servitude, slavery, and so on.
Right to personal liberty. Section 35, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria states that everyone shall be entitled to his personal liberty. The exception, which means that a person can actually be deprived of their right to personal liberty in some certain cases, is provided for under Section 35, subsection 1c of the said Constitution, which states that a person can be arrested by warrant or reasonable suspicion that he committed an offence or to prevent a person from committing an offence.
Talking about personal liberty, Section 35, subsection 2 of the Constitution states that you have the right to remain silent or not to answer any question until you have consulted your lawyer or a person of your choice. This means that you cannot be forced by a police officer to say anything unless you have a lawyer with you or a person of your choice.
Still talking about personal liberty, Section 35, subsection 3 of the same Constitution talks about the fact that upon arrest, where a person is arrested and detained, a person must be informed in writing the reason of the arrest within 24 hours. And if the person is an illiterate, the person must be told in the language he or she understands.
In the same vein, Section 35, subsection 4 of the Constitution states that once a person is arrested, he must be charged to the court within a reasonable time. This can also be seen in Section 32 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act.
Section 35, subsection 6 of the Constitution states that there must be a public apology and compensation from the required authority to a person who is unlawfully arrested or detained.
Right to counsel. Section 36, subsection 6c of the Constitution states that every person who is charged to court with a criminal offence is entitled to defend himself in person or by use of a legal practitioner. This can also be found in Section 17, subsection 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act.
More about right to counsel. Section 10, subsection 1 of the Legal Aid Act 2010 provides that a legal aid shall be granted to a person whose salary is not up to the minimum wage. There is an exception to this. Section 10, subsection 2 states that legal aid shall also be provided to someone whose salary exceeds the minimum wage. Therefore, if you know there is a chance that you will be charged with an offence and you do not have a lawyer, then ask for the option of the legal aid scheme.
Section 37 of the Constitution states that the privacy of citizens, their homes, telephone conversations, correspondence, and telegraphic communications is hereby guaranteed and protected. This means that the police do not have any right to go through your phone, check your conversations or chats without a warrant.
Section 8 of the Constitution states that anyone is entitled to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. This means that you have freedom to change your belief and religion.
There are other rights as Nigerians that we are entitled to which are not stated in the Constitution, and I will mention a few of them. Section 7 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and Section 4 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Repeal and Reenactment Law of Lagos State states that a person shall not be arrested in place of a suspect. This means that if the police are looking for a family member or a friend close to you and they cannot find them, they cannot arrest you in place of that person just to make the person come out of hiding.
Section 9, subsection 3 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, Section 5, subsection 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, repeal and reenactment of the Lagos State Law, states that a person can only be possessed by a person of the same sex, and this must be done with decency. However, there is an exception to this, and this is stated in Section 9, subsection 3 of ACJA, which states that unless in an urgency matter, a person shall be searched by a person of a different sex.
In the event where an officer is made to search a person's premises, Section 112 sub 2 of the Criminal Procedure Law and Section 81 sub 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code Law states that an officer who intends to search a person's premises must first submit themselves to being searched to prevent the planting of any incriminating evidence. This means where a police officer is meant to search your house, the police officer must first be searched by you or two other adults to show that they are not planting any incriminating evidence in your house.
Section 78 subsection 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code laws states that the search should be conducted in the presence of two adults in the neighborhood, and they should be summoned by the persons conducting the search.
Bail is free, and if you have any issue, you can contact the police, and the number will show on your screen now. Just to state this, if you are showing your right or telling the police off your right, please do not fight with the police. Don't be aggressive. State this, and they will understand. I hope with all this right stated, I believe now you know your fundamental rights and what you're entitled to.
In the event that you do not understand any of the rights or information given in this video, please feel free to contact a legal practitioner of your choice.
And in the event of any emergencies, you can contact the number that will be displayed on the screen. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and turn on your notification as well, so when I post any new videos, you will see it. And don't forget to subscribe to
Debbie O
and